So, finally then, talk about how you came up with the idea, the business side of things as we were talking about.
Yeah.
How you came up with the idea, how you gained funding for this, because obviously you're paying people, hopefully you're paying yourself, you're at least covering your mortgage.
Yeah.
And then how that idea, you built that, got money for that,
Yeah.
built out a roadmap for that, and kind of...
So, previous companies I've been involved in, we've gone down the VC funding and getting investment and grants from the UK government, things like that. And it's great because you suddenly get this huge stack of cash that appears in your bank account. You can run off to Indeed, put a job advert, and hire people. But you still need to make sure then you're even more beholden then to building your product, getting it out, and getting customer to pay for it. Yeah. And you perhaps blur the objective then to not wanting to build a good product and get it to your customers to I need money coming in because I need to, I've got investors breathing down my neck, or why is there no, Q4 earnings report that's been written yet? No, it's still zero, mate. So myself and my co-founder Dave kind of had this conversation when we were plotting and scheming and coming up with it of that's not the route we wanted to do with this. So we wanted to try and bootstrap it for as long as possible. So we are kind of self-funding the development currently, and covering the bills, and we have both been involved in very large-scale cloud operations, aware that cloud bills shoot up and things like that. So we've got stuff running on-prem in Kubernetes clusters and things like that. My internet connection's always still going to be there anyway. My electricity bill's still going to be there anyway. The kids are still going to need Netflix and things. So all those things are going to be ticked off. If a bit of hardware running in the corner means that I can avoid having 20 instances on Amazon running to start with, as our runners for testing, our testing run, things like that, then let's go down that route. And it's because we're building a product that is both cloud and on-prem, actually we get the benefit of, we know we can deploy it on-prem because we're doing it. We're doing it, and we know that we can do it in a hybrid way because this environment, the control plane is in the cloud, but it's a Cube cluster here running the runners. And in the production environment, it's all in AWS. So we know we do the full hybrid side of things.